Let's have a look at this O-Level Geography 2059 Code 01 paper for History and Geography of Pakistan Studies. If you look at question number 1, expected topic in the last attempt, the topic of East India Company was tested, so it appears that from section B it would be related to the Congress rule. Section A question, this is a picture. This question is about the relations between the Congress Party and the Muslim League in India during the 1930s. Source, this is question number A, part A, part B. Then we have part C, and then we have part D. Similarly for section B, first question would be related to Battle of Plassey because it hasn't been asked in the recent attempts. And then partition of Bengal. Then we have formation of All India Muslim League, Lucknow Pact, Khilafat movement. Then we have Jinnah's 14 points, cabinet mission, and the Lahore resolution, and last part related to Liaquat Ali Khan, economic challenges after independence, and Pakistan's relations with the US. So Pakistan and US relationship, this is critical for this attempt. So this is what you should be following, and best of luck for the exam.